When connecting to a new data source, we can either create a new document or add a new dataset with an existing document. In this example, we'll add a dataset to the Yoga West document for the universe that contains customer survey information. There are two ways to acquire data from a universe. The first is the universe connector, which is available out of the box. We need to enter the credentials for the SAP Business Intelligence platform where our universe is stored. Note that both UNV and UNX universes are supported. We'll select the Yoga Survey universe. A universe tree displays the available objects in the universe grouped into folders. We need to select the objects we want to acquire. In this example, we want the transaction ID, overall, comment, and sentiment objects. Filters restrict the data to include only the specified results, which will prompts enable us to specify the desired results by typing one or more values or selecting values from a list. If required, we can also change query properties, such as the size of the query of the maximum retrieval time. These values are retrieved from the properties from the universe, but they can be overridden if necessary. In this example, we'll use the default values. We can also choose to preview the data before acquiring the dataset. When we include a prompt, we're presented with the options for the filter. We can choose the appropriate values from the list of values for the prompt to filter our selection. In this example, we'll select all values. We can also choose to view the record count. The dataset for the universe has now been added to the document. Now we'll delete the dataset we just created and recreate it using the second method. The second method for acquiring data from a universe is to use the SAP Universe Query Panel extension, or QPE. The QPE allows to create a connection to a universe using the standard query panel available in other products that are part of the SAP BusinessObjects Business Intelligence platform. Note that this extension provides similar functionality to the universe connection type we just used, but enables us to refresh and schedule SAP BusinessObjects Lumira documents that are based on a universe and saved to the BI platform. First, we need to install the extension. The extension has been installed, but now requires that SAP BusinessObjects Lumira be restarted. Once SAP BusinessObjects Lumira has been restarted, we're ready to connect to the universe using the extension. We need to enter our credentials for the platform again. Note that for the QPE, only universes with the UNX extension are supported. The query panel opens. This interface shares all of the features available in the query panel for products such as SAP BusinessObjects Web Intelligence and SAP Crystal Reports for Enterprise. In the window, a universe tree displays the available objects in the universe grouped into folders. We'll select the same objects as before: transaction ID, overall, comment, sentiment, and the sentiment type prompt. Again, we'll select values from the prompt. Note that this dialog also displays when we refresh a dataset based on the Query Universe panel, enabling us to confirm or change our selection. A new document has been created with the dataset defined in the Query panel. To preserve the connection to the universe and render the content refreshable, we need to save the document back to the BI platform. Note that we use the Save As command rather than sharing the document's contents. The URL for the BI platform has already been defined in the user preferences, so we just need to enter the appropriate credentials. Now we can define a name for the document and specify a location. In this example, we will save the document to the KL Documents folder. Once the document has been saved to the platform, we can open it using the menu on the main page. The version on the platform contains the same values.